Here at 6, we've learned another threat was made against a judge in Travis County.
Court documents show it was made against a judge in municipal court yesterday morning. That threat was documented in an unusual fashion. But as KXAN's Chris Sadeghi reports, it may all be out of caution after Judge Julie Kosurik was shot at last November.
We were looking through felony warrants and came across this car theft case, but then a threat against a judge is documented in handwriting off in the margin. We talked to a retired judge who says he's never seen anything like this before.
I don't know that I've ever seen it written right across the warrant like this.
When we showed Judge John Wisser, he said it was odd to him, but he understood the purpose.
This would tell any judge who is contemplating releasing this defendant on a personal bond that this defendant had threatened a fellow judge.
The written warning from someone with the court says John Shelton made threatening or retaliatory remarks regarding the judge who set the bond amount and specifically requested the name of the judge. That judge was one of more than 20 that serve in municipal court located at the jail. They initially set the bonds after an arrest. Yet another thing Wisser finds odd.
It's highly unusual for anyone to threaten a judge face-to-face.
Threatening a public servant doing their job is a felony and usually happens towards police officers, although Wisser admits some in a courtroom may get overlooked.
I think a lot of threats are made that really aren't taken seriously.
And after a judge was shot in November, those days may be over.
Without a doubt, that's it. I think everyone now is much more highly sensitive.
Chris Sadeghi, KXAN News.
Right now, John Shelton is in the Travis County Jail for the car theft charge, but as of now, he has not been charged with retaliation. His record shows he has been in and out of prison since 2005 on several felony charges, including theft and money laundering. It is important to point out Travis County is currently assessing the costs to keep judges safe. Last month, we told you the county spent $68,000 to protect Judge Julie Kosurik at her home. At that time, commissioners said protecting a judge is expensive and they have to weigh costs versus necessity. They also warned there are about 30 judges in Travis County and the costs could grow exponentially. But commissioners say they are still committed to keeping Judge Kosurik and her family safe.